This video will demonstrate how to ingest data in a SQLite database using Versatile Data Kit. Versatile Data Kit, or VDK for short, is a data engineering framework which allows data engineers to develop, troubleshoot, deploy, run, schedule, monitor, and overall manage data processing workloads, which we call data jobs. On the slide, we can see a data analyst's typical workflow. Today, we'll be focusing on the ingestion step. What we call ingestion is the process of serializing, packaging, and sending data to a target database. Versatile Data Kit supports ingestion to a variety of databases, with support for more being added often. Versatile Data Kit allows users to deploy scheduled ingestion data jobs, which can be used to routinely collect new data from a particular endpoint and send it to a target database. First, we need to install Versatile Data Kit using the following command. Next, we need to create our data job. We do this by using the VDK create CLI command. First, we need to input a job name. We'll go with ingest data job. Then we need to input a job team. Teams allow deployed jobs to be grouped. We'll go with local for the purposes of demonstration. Next, we need to choose the directory where our job will be saved. We'll go with the default value, which is the current terminal directory. Now, let's quickly look at the data that we will be ingesting. We see that there's 4 fields in our JSON object. 2 of them are integers, 1 of them is a string, and 1 of them is a Boolean. We will expect to see this data in our database at the end. Now, let's look at our data job. Our data job consists of 2 steps plus a configuration file. Steps can be either SQL queries or Python files which implement a particular run function. We see that our first step, which is a SQL step, creates the table that we will be ingesting data into. Our second step, which is a Python step, performs the ingestion by requesting the data from the REST API and then sending it for ingestion using the API provided by Versatile Data Kit. Our configuration file serves to set the ingestion method. Note that we aren't configuring the location of a particular SQLite database file. When one isn't configured, VDK doesn't fail, but instead automatically creates a temporary database file. Now, let's run our data job. We do this using the VDK run CLI command and providing the correct directory. It seems like the data job completed successfully. However, to verify this, we'll need to query the database to check. VDK offers a way to easily run simple queries against a SQLite database by using the SQLite query command. We see that the query result matches the data that we expected to see, which means that our ingestion was successful. This concludes our demonstration. For more information on Versatile Data Kit, visit the GitHub repository linked in the description.